Welcome to this course Basic Manufacturing Process Unit 3rd Lecture 49 Machining Basic Working Principle. Agenda for today present in this video: Lathe machine and its introduction. Basic working principle of lathe machine: operation and performance on lathe machine, facing, plane turning, step turning, taper turning, drilling, ramming, and boring. These are all operation of the lathe machine operation. Introduction: lathe machine. Introduction to the lathe machine. What is the lathe machine? A lathe is a probably of oldest machine tools. The work was supported by two dual stroke in the adjacent trees. The operation would applied the motion which was the intermediate and inflection. The tool was held in the operation head. Later a strip of wood called the lathe used the support of the rope and hence the name by lathe form of the current beginning to over the period more than two center modern engine. Lathe was evolved. The metal cutting because the low power holding device strong enough and the accurate enough of the guide tool. The sliding ironing of 80 beads of screw cutting lathe. Now it has become general purpose machine tools employed for the production of repair work because the permit for large variety of operation is performing it. Basic principle Basic working principle of the lathe machine. Move under undesired material for rotating workpiece of the chief with the help of the travel across the work of the help in the work. The tool should be harder than work piece and later held the security for rapidly of the machine. This is the workpiece. This is supported tool of the workpiece. This is supported tool of the workpiece. This is the job motion of the tool. The tool may be given linear motion in any direction. Linear motion of any direction. A lathe is support principle for produce a cylindrical surface and plane surface, right angle to axis of rotation. Basic working principle of the lathe machine is continue. Operation of turning done by part of a small loose watch of the hung part, waiting for several times. The carrying move the bed away parallel to the working workpiece of the cross slide provided the transfer motion. Operation of the performed on the lathe machine. The most common operation which can be performed on the lathe machine: facing turning, taper turning, eccentric turning, boring, drilling, reaming, and threading, nailing, and square cutting. Addition to it is with the help of attachment of operation like QA cutting and gear cutting, shaping, milling, filleting, and grinding also for prepare on the machine tools. Facing this operation is almost essential for all the work. This operation, as shown in the piece of the the chuck of the tool facing a feed from the center of the workpiece. This is the chuck of the machine. This is the chuck of the machine. Three giant for the chuck of the machine. This chuck is in the hold of the workpiece. Holding of the workpiece. This the workpiece, and this is the consist of the tool holder. This is the tool of the center machine. Plane turning. What is the plane turning? It is an operation of remove excess amount of material from the surface of the cylindrical workpiece. Plane turning. This operation as shown in the this is the plane turning. This this is the plane of the workpiece. This is the plane of the work. This is the plane of the workpiece turning for cutting for. This is the chuck of the machine support hold of the workpiece. The forger chuck of this is the tool or machine, and this is the work for the cutting operation. And the step turning, this is the plane of the workpiece. This first of work for the tool is cutting for the workpiece is the suppose that 40 mm first cutting, and second cutting operation is the 30 mm. So again step cutting for the for 20 mm. This is the this is the step by step increasing of the diameter of the workpiece. This is the step turning of the advantage of the die casting machine. Taper turning. In taper turning, it is the operation of production of external economical surface of workpiece. The small taper for period with the help of performing tools, chamfering tools, but large tapers large taper produce the series of the compound rest, the required angle of the offsetting, the tailstock of the turning attachment node. If D is the large diameter, D is the small diameter, capital D is the large diameter, small d is the smaller diameter, L is the length of the taper. The taper in capital D minus small d upon L. This is the formula of the small taper. Thank you so much. In this video, I will be present in the lathe of introduction to lathe machine and some of the operation of lathe machine.